Have you ever touched a shiny granite kitchen countertop and wondered, how did this giant rock become so smooth, so beautiful, and so perfect? Or maybe you've asked yourself, is granite actually made in a factory, or does it come straight from nature? Well, here's the surprising truth. That polished slab in your kitchen started as a massive, mountain-sized rock buried deep inside the earth for millions of years. And before it reaches your home, it goes through giant cutting machines, diamond blades, water-powered polishers, and an incredible factory process that looks
Dimensions are
almost
spot on.
unreal.
Good. Surface looks
Today,
clean.
we're
Ready
going
for next.
behind the scenes to discover the real truth of how granite is made from raw stone in factories. And trust me, some parts of this process are way more intense than you expect. Let's begin. Introduction. Granite is one of the strongest and most beautiful natural stones in the world. People use it everywhere. Kitchen countertops, floor tiles, stairs, buildings, even luxury hotels. But here's something many people don't know. Granite is not manufactured like plastic or glass. It's actually a natural stone formed inside the earth under extreme heat and pressure over millions of years. The factory's job is not to create granite, it's to transform rough, giant rocks into smooth, usable slabs. And that transformation is what makes this process so fascinating. So how does a rough mountain rock become the shiny granite surface we see every day? Let's break it down step by step. The beginning, taking granite out of the earth. Everything starts in a granite quarry. A quarry is basically a giant open stone mining area. This is where huge granite rocks are found underground. Now imagine this. Some granite blocks are
See these
bigger than
color
a car.
variations? They suggest
Some
mineral
even weigh
deposits.
more than
Noted.
20
Check the feature
tons.
now. Looks
That's
stable.
heavier than several elephants combined. So how do workers remove such massive rocks from the earth? First, engineers inspect the rock carefully. They look for cracks, color patterns, and strength. Because not every granite block is good enough for countertops or tiles. Then comes drilling. Workers use giant drilling machines to make deep holes into the rock. After that, strong steel wires with diamond particles are used to cut through the stone. Yes, actual industrial diamonds. Because granite is extremely hard. Normal blades simply cannot cut it efficiently. Slowly, the giant block separates from the mountain. And this part can take hours or even days. Once the block is free, heavy cranes and loaders lift it onto giant trucks. And now the raw granite begins its journey to the factory. But here's a question for you. Would you believe that this rough, dusty rock could eventually become a luxury kitchen countertop worth thousands of dollars? That's exactly what happens next. Cutting the massive stone blocks, they still look rough and uneven. Nothing shiny, nothing beautiful, just giant stone cubes. Now the real factory work begins. The first major step is slicing the granite into slabs, and this process is absolutely incredible to watch. The giant block is placed into a cutting machine. Some factories use gang saws, others use giant circular diamond blades. These machines slowly cut the block into large, flat sheets. Think of it like slicing bread, except instead of soft bread, it's one of the hardest stones on Earth. And instead of a kitchen knife, factories use giant industrial diamond cutters. Water constantly sprays over the blade during cutting. Why? Because cutting granite creates massive heat and dust. The water cools the blade and keeps the process safe. Now, here's something interesting. The cutting process is very slow. Sometimes a single granite block can take 10 to 20 hours to cut completely. That's because rushing could crack the stone, and one crack can ruin an expensive slab. After cutting, the slabs are separated carefully. At this stage, you can finally start seeing the natural beauty of granite. The colors, the patterns, the crystal textures. Every slab looks different because granite is natural. No two pieces are exactly the same. That's one reason people love granite so much. It's like nature's fingerprint. How the system works. Polishing and finishing. Now comes the transformation stage. This is where rough stone becomes smooth, shiny granite. And honestly, this part feels almost magical. The cut slabs move through giant polishing machines. These machines contain multiple rotating polishing heads. Each head uses special abrasive pads. The process works in stages. First, rough pads smooth the surface. Then finer pads remove scratches. Finally, ultra-fine polishers create the glossy mirror finish. Imagine sanding a piece of wood. You start rough, then smoother, then super smooth. Granite polishing works the same way, just with much stronger machines. And again, water plays a huge role. Water keeps the stone cool and washes away stone particles during polishing. As the slab moves through the machine, something amazing happens. The dull gray surface slowly becomes shiny and reflective. The natural crystals inside the granite start sparkling. This is the moment the stone truly comes alive.
These are looking
But
good for
polishing
shipping.
is not
Agreed.
only
Let's get
about
them inspected
looks.
and wrapped. On it.
Factories also inspect the slab carefully.
Surface reflectivity is
Workers
within
check for
spec.
tiny
Agreed.
holes
Veining
or
alignment is
cracks.
precise. Check the
If
edges
small
for chips.
gaps are found, they are filled using resin. The resin strengthens the stone and improves appearance. After that, the slab may go through resin heating ovens. This hardens the material and makes the granite stronger. Then comes measuring and trimming. Machines cut the slabs into exact sizes depending on customer needs. Kitchen countertops, floor tiles, wall panels. Different projects require different dimensions. Precision is extremely important here. Even a small mistake can waste a very expensive slab.
The final homes and buildings. At this stage, the granite is almost ready. But before shipping, factories perform final quality checks. Workers inspect color consistency, polish quality, thickness, surface smoothness, and edge finishing. Some slabs receive additional edge designs: rounded edges, beveled edges, fancy decorative cuts, especially for luxury kitchens. Then the slabs are cleaned thoroughly and packed carefully. Why carefully? Because granite is strong, but it can still crack during transport if handled badly. Factories use wooden supports, foam protection, and straps to keep the slabs safe. Finally, the granite is shipped to warehouses, stores, or construction sites around the world. And that's how a rough stone from deep underground becomes part of someone's kitchen, hotel, or office building. Pretty amazing, right? But wait, there's even more happening behind the scenes.
Let's make this super easy to understand. Think about granite like a rough diamond. When a diamond first comes out of the ground, it doesn't look shiny or luxurious. It looks rough and ordinary. Only after cutting and polishing does it become beautiful. Granite works the same way. Nature creates the raw material. The factory reveals the beauty hidden inside. That's why granite processing is not really making granite. It's more like
Let's optimize this
uncovering
slab
what was
layout.
already there.
Cuts are
Conclusion.
set, minimal waste.
So now you know the real truth about how granite is made in factories. It starts as a giant natural rock deep inside the earth. Then it goes through quarrying, massive cutting machines, careful polishing, precision finishing, and intense quality checks, until finally, it becomes the beautiful granite surface we use every day. And honestly, once you understand the process, you never look at granite the same way again. Next time you touch a granite countertop or walk across a granite floor, just remember, that stone traveled an incredible journey over millions of years before reaching you. So what surprised you the most about the granite making process? The giant cutting machines, the diamond wires, or the fact that your countertop might be older than dinosaurs? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes factory journey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and join us for more amazing process explanation videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.